the way and show us the way. हर सफलता के पीछे एक मार्गदर्शक का हाथ होता है जो दिशा भी देता है और प्रेरणा भी. Our school is blessed with such guiding light, a visionary whose dedication, wisdom and encouragement continue to inspire students and teachers. Likewise, ladies and gentlemen, it is our proud privilege to invite our respected principal, Mr. Balwinder Singh, our due leader and torchbearer of our institution, to grace the stage and deliver the welcome address. Sir, we request you to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests, dignitaries, and beloved parents gathered here on this special occasion of our 25th annual function. Please, sir.
A very good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the staff and students of Sukhram Memorial Public School, Kaliravan, it's my pride and privilege to welcome all of you as we celebrate our 25th annual day, a remarkable journey of service, trust, and commitment to excellence. Success is not about what you accomplish. It is about what you inspire others to do. We are deeply honored to have with us Professor Dr. Tankeshwar Kumar, Vice Chancellor, Central University of Haryana, as our chief guest today. Sir, your distinguished contributions to higher education, visionary leadership, and dedication to nurturing future scholars truly reflect your inspiring personality. Your presence ignites motivation in young minds. With great warmth and respect, I welcome you, sir. सितारों से आगे जहां और भी हैं, अभी इम्तहान बाकी है, अभी उड़ान बाकी है. ये तो बस एक पड़ाव है, मंजिल की तलाश है, सफलता की दास्तां अभी बाकी है. I also extend a heartfelt welcome to our guest of honor, Ms. Antim Pangal, Arjun Awardee, and bronze medalist at World Wrestling Championships. Ma'am, your journey from determination to international achievements is not just a tale of hard work, but a saga of resilience, courage, and unwavering dedication. You are a role model for the youth of our nation, proving that dreams backed with discipline and grit can conquer the world. We feel privileged to welcome you. As Mandy Hale very rightly said, there is nothing more beautiful than someone who tries to make life beautiful for others. On this grand occasion, we fondly welcome our founders, Shri Ram Sarup Arya, Shrimati Santosh Arya, and other members of Sukhram Gram Vikas Samiti, whose vision and dedication has laid the foundation of our success. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the parents and grandparents of our students. Your partnership, trust, and support in our vision inspire us to continue our mission with greater zeal and dedication. I also welcome other eminent guests, dignitaries, educationists, directors, and principals of various schools whose guidance help us to grow and strive for higher standards. Mr. Ram Sarup Arya and Mrs. Santosh Arya believe that education is the greatest service to humanity. It inspired them to sow the seed of this noble institution in 2001. Driven by this unshakable faith, they have invested not just resources, but their soul and heart into building an institution that nurtures the future generations. What began 25 years ago with 60 students and 2 teachers has today flourished into a vibrant family of 1,623 students, 112 staff members, and thousands of dreams soaring towards a brighter tomorrow. William S. Burroughs rightly said, "The aim of education is the knowledge, but not of facts, but of the values." At our school, we believe that education is merely not about academics. It is the process of shaping character, nourishing creativity, fostering critical thinking, and cultivating compassion. We are proud of how far we have come, but we realize that our journey has just begun. These accomplishments are just the stepping stones for a brighter future. खुशियां बांटने से बढ़ती हैं और सफलता जब सबकी हो तो एक यादगार बन जाती है. Today, we are not only celebrating achievements and performances, we are celebrating passion, dedication, teamwork, and the spirit of excellence. This annual day provides a dynamic platform where more than 960 students will showcase their talent through dance, drama, music, and creativity. More than 50 students will anchor today's performances, and 20 have designed the stunning digital graphics. Over 200 students and teachers dedicated hours to beautify and decorate this campus, designing the stage and elevating the ambience. I am truly confident that today's celebration will leave an unforgettable imprint on your hearts and souls. एक बार फिर मैं आज के इस 25वें वार्षिक उत्सव पर हमारे चीफ गेस्ट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर टंकेश्वर कुमार जी, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर सुश्री अंतन पंघाल, अन्य सभी माननीय अतिथियों और अभिभावकों का हृदय से स्वागत, अभिनंदन और सत्कार करता हूं. आपकी स्नेहपूर्ण उपस्थिति ने हमारे कार्यक्रम को जो ऊर्जा, उल्लास और गरिमा प्रदान की है, इसके लिए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.